I want to address something. For a little while now, I observe something on social media. See, and I say I want to watch it for a while to see how it go. See, I feel like right now is the right time for me to talk a little bit about it. Because it get out of hand. It get worse by the minute. The more I see the situation, is the more I realize it get worse. And this is what I talk about. Uno people on social media we call themselves prophet. Uno fi go, you know. Uno fi go and come off of social media and stop trick people. But uno call yourself prophet when you no know God. Because all me see uno do a come on social media and a cuss off on one another. That one you go live and a trace off that one day. That one day I go live and a throw a word pan that one day. What kind of example uno set for Whirlian? What kind of example uno set for people? Tell me. Uno, in some cases, act worse than the Whirlian them. Because when you see a man where a regular man go live and them a throw a word pan one another and them a argue back and forth and all of that, we consider it to be mix up and drama and passa. But what if we call it when we say Uno, who's supposed to be guiding the lost back to God? What we call it when we say Uno, I do the very same thing like the Whirlians. And Uno call yourself prophet. What makes you a prophet? That's a very serious question too, you know. What makes you a prophet? As far as I know, a prophet is a seer. And all of a sudden, you all jump up on social media and call yourself prophet when you can't see nothing. Because you can't even see how bad you look on social media when you not argue and trace and cuss one another. You can't even see how bad you look when you come on social media and I do the bunch of tracing and a chat about say I never give this one permission for do this and I never give that one permission for do that. And come on, man, if you're not supposed to be people of God, act godly. At least act godly. How no expect to win souls for God when phone soul itself dirty? How no expect to win souls for God when phone soul corrupt? And make sure I make this clear too. Me nah say everybody, you know. I'm talking about the one them we are go live on social media every single day and a cuss off on one another and a throw word off on one another. You don't know on yourself, so I have to call no name coming and argue no highlight neither. But me sure say that video go reach you know, because you no followers follow me and you no followers listen to me and you no followers are gonna know say you know me I talk about. You no need to cut it out, man. Cause it look bad, it no look good. Remember, you know, enough people already not believe in the church, you know. Enough people already not believe in a God, you know, and you know make it worse. Because the couple little people them we are trying to hang on to the belief that God still exists. When them listen to Uno and see Funo attitude we wanna have as so-called prophets, that cause people to turn away from God. Because them are looking to it and I say, boy, if that our God I put forward, me no want to be in that circle. So somehow no need to come off of social media with the foolishness. Uno self need to go find God. Uno self need to realize say Uno no holy neither. Uno need to go back and go read the Bible. And not only just read it, but study it and understand it. Because you don't want to minister to people and you can't even contain no anger. You don't try to minister to people and you can't even contain no frustration when somebody says something about you. The first thing you do is jump on social media and go say, cuss and address this and address that. What kind of minister you be? What kind of example that is your set? But no surprise there anyway. You know, before the age of social media, you would have just go up on the pulpit and chew a word to no congregation. Anybody in a congregation who have a little problem with it, just go in front of the congregation on the pulpit and chew a word on Sister Jane and Brother Henry. I know nothing new still. It's just that a social media age, so no in line with social media right now. But it no look good. See it? It now look good. When you click on your live, let me tell you something, uno so-called prophets. When you click on your live, because social media can be used for good, you know. It's not only for mix up and passa and drama. When you click on your live, bring forward a message to somebody who actually needs to hear it. You can imagine. I'm out here now. Let's just use me for example. Imagine I'm out here and I'm lost in the world, right? And I need some direction back to God. And I decide I'm going to follow a so-called prophet, right? To listen to some godly words. And when I click on your life, instead of you preaching to me the word of God, you're sitting on your life chewing word at a fellow pastor, or a fellow prophet, or a fellow preacher. That now go pull me closer to God. Because if me want passa, me woulda go in a passa group them. If me want to go listen to drama and mix up, me woulda go in a drama and mix up group them. Me woulda follow the drama and mix up people them. But if me follow a so-called prophet, I'm expecting to hear some prophecy. But instead of hearing prophecy, we're hearing that one here cost that one here, and that one there cost that one there. And then you have the one them, let's address the whole prophecy thing again. You have the one them where you call themselves prophet, but instead of seeing what is about to happen, them come talk about what already happened. You see them one day too, right? Yeah, then call themselves prophet, but instead of addressing what is about to happen, them come and them talk about past events and say, me did tell you no. Me did tell you no, say that a go happen. When you never tell me nothing. You just see where you go on in a social media and you decide say you go come use it now to talk about it. What kind of prophet are you that does that? I think somehow no need to go, research the word prophet. So that you can actually do what you're supposed to be doing. See it? You have a duty as a prophet. Me not going to say a so-called prophet, but you have a duty as a prophet. If you're a prophet, if you're a man of God, if you're a true man of God, you have a duty to bring home the people to God, to spread the word of God to the people, because people out there is trying to cling on to the little bit of belief where them have same way. Because the world done gone bad, The world already gone bad. People is pulling further and further and further away from God. Right? And as me said before, uno a make it worse. Uno a make it worse because uno nah set no example. Some uno all uno interested in is making money. Some uno all uno interested in is driving fancy car and living in a big house. Uno not even care about uno very own congregation. Uno not care about uno congregation somehow uno. The only thing uno care about uno congregation is to make sure say come offering time the congregation are sending the money. That's all someone want to care about. You need to go back, go study the word of God for yourself. Someone can't talk to me and talk about a prophet, Someone can't come to me and tell me about godly, Come here and run away. Tell you move in front of me. And I'm a respectable man. I respect people. But when I see nonsense, I not tolerate it. Seeing? Una post on social media and spread mix up and gossip and drama, a screenshot somebody else comment and post it on a wall and come on man, what kind of prophet, what kind of man of God, what wanna do? Set example is all me have to set you. Set example. Watch out, man. This is my opinion. You can give me full opinion in the comment section. See? Share this to the prophet and the preachers and the pastors, because you know exactly who me I talk about. All of them will do that nonsense there. Need to stop it. I'm done with this.
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.